Exercise 5.5. Construct the following rectangles with the given measurements and also find their area. HAND, HA equal to 7 centimeter and AN equal to 4 centimeter. Given two sides, you draw the rectangle. What is that given? HA equal to 7 centimeter, AN equal to 4 centimeter. You draw in one rectangle. There you write in first point it HAND. Draw the rough diagram. Mark the points. HA equal to what is that given? 7 centimeter. You write it HA, write in 7 centimeter. AN equal to 4 centimeter. Perpendicular line for put in the symbol. Must draw the perpendicular points line also. See the sum now. Draw a line segment first 7 centimeter. HA equal to 7 centimeter. Keep the point. Join 2 points. There you write in here H. There you write in A. Write in 7 centimeter. Next work, perpendicular line want to draw. Now compass to take in any radius. Now I am taking in 3 centimeters. See there 3 centimeter you take the compass. That take the point, keep in H point and cut it the arc. Full arc want to touch and cut it the arc. Should not change this length. Here come the first point. Here to cut it one arc. There to come one point. No, there to keep the compass again and cut it the arc. Next, see, listen. There come the two arc. Here to you cut it one arc. Next, here come the point. No, there keep the compass and cut it the arc. First work, take 3 centimeter in compass, keep in first H point and cut it the full arc. Want to touch the line. Touch after, should not change the length. Again keep in the point and cut in first arc. There to keep and cut it another one arc. Next work, here to up one arc. Here already cutting. No, there to keep and cut in the one arc. Now coming point you want to join there. H and this line you bigly want to join. This point only still not come the length. Now see, this one side is there given in 4 centimeter. Rectangle opposite sides are equal. Here 4 centimeter means here also 4 centimeter. Here 7 centimeter. There up also how much centimeter? There 7 centimeter. Now H2 now want to take in 4 centimeter and cut it the arc. Measure in 4 centimeter. Now keep in H point and cut it the arc. Now coming one point, no, that point only what is the point? D point. Now here coming point only what is the point? D point. How much centimeter there? 4 centimeter. Their perpendicular line 90 degrees. So put in the box must you want to put. Next work, here to you cut how much centimeter? Take the arc and cut it the arc 4 centimeter. Should not change the length and cut it here. A point to keep and cut the arc. Okay, next step. Here 7 centimeter, there 7 centimeter. So this HA length you measure there. HA length. And keep in D point and cut it the arc. Keep in the D point and cut in the arc. This arc only how coming point is what the point? N. Now you join in AN AN DN. Here 4 centimeter, here 7 centimeter. Another one time listen there. First you draw the line segment 7 centimeter. Compass to take in 3 centimeter. Compass to take in the 3 centimeter. There not give the length. Take any radius from compass for I am taking in 3 centimeter. So you take in 3 centimeter, keep in H point and cut it the arc. Here to come the point to you cut the arc. Here to come the point to here cut it the arc. Coming the 2 points to up one arc, here to one arc. These two lines you want to join there. Next, this side is 4 centimeter. They are given in question from. So, rectangle opposite sides are equal. So, here 4 centimeter, here 4 centimeter. 7 centimeter, up 7 centimeter. Now, 4 centimeter measure to compass and cut it the arc. Coming the point is D point. Next, the 4 centimeter is should not change the length. A point to cut the arc. Next here HES length is 7 centimeter taken. D point to cut the arc. 2 arc also meeting point is N. 7 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Next you write in the area of the rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Equal to area of the rectangle formula L into B square units. L value equal to 7 centimeter, B value equal to 4 centimeter. So L into B 4 7 into 4 centimeter square. 7 4s are 28 centimeter square. Next sum land. LAND. LA equal to 8 centimeter and AD equal to 10 centimeter. Here given in one side and diagonal. Given value write rough diagram. Draw the rectangle shape. Here LA equal to 8 centimeter. AD equal to 10 centimeter. So here opposite side here 8 centimeter means here also 8 centimeter. Here what is the centimeter? Now don't know. So do the sum after only you know the sum. First you draw the line segment 8 centimeter. Join the points. Write in here L, there A. Next work, draw the perpendicular line. That perpendicular line must want to draw. So you take in 3 centimeter in compass. 3 centimeter. L to keep the compass and cut it the arc. See the arc. Full arc want to cut there. Want to touch the line. Now here coming the point, no, this point to you cut in again the same arc should not change the length. The 3 centimeter only want to cut it the arc. Here to come the point again you cut it the arc. Next this point to up one arc. This point to again the same arc to cut in there. Here come the point. This line you want to join. Bigly you want to join. Next, this diagonal is what is that given 10 centimeter. You measure 10 centimeter and cut it the arc. Where want to keep and cut it the arc 10 centimeter? A point to keep and cut the arc this line. Now A point. Here you cut it the arc. Now cutting point only very carefully see there. This point is, what is the point? D point. This point only D point. Now these two line A and D you join. A and D join there. This is how much centimeter there? 10 centimeter. Down here 8 centimeter. Now opposite sides are equal. So here 8 centimeter. So this length you first you measure there. 8 centimeter. No use in the scale. Here to measure enough there. D point to keep and cut it the arc. Next, this length is there not given. So you measure in LD length there. LD length you measure and here you cut it there. Now coming point is, what is the point? N point. You join the line AN. Here you join in ND. This is how much centimeter? 8 centimeter. Here measurement is there not give. You measure the length. How much centimeter? 5.8 centimeter. How much centimeter? Here write it 5.8 centimeter. Here write 5.8 means here also write in 5.8 centimeter. The perpendicular line for put in the box. All the work is now completed. One time listen there. First you draw the length LA equal to 8 centimeter. This arc, listen, this arc measure in 3 centimeter. L point to keep and cut it the arc. Here to come the point should not change the 3 centimeter. Here one arc. Here to cut it there. Coming point. This 2 point only now cut it the arc. Come the point you join the big line. Next work A to measure in 10 centimeter and cut it the arc. D point. D to 8 centimeter you cut it the arc. Next this length you measure. Simply measure in the compass. Here keep the compass and cut it the arc. Coming point is end point. LD length only here measure and cut it the arc. Now area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle equal to L into B square units. L value equal to 8 centimeter, B value equal to 5.8 centimeter squared. 8 8s are 64, remaining 6, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 6, 46 centimeter squared. Now last Roman letter, construct the following squares with the given measurements and also find their area. EAST, EA value equal to 6.5 centimeter. Only square for one side is enough. Why? There all the sides are equal for one value only, one measurement only they are given. EA equal to 6.5 centimeter. This is the side. You draw in square shape one shape. EAST write. EAST given in EAST you write in EAST. EA equal to 6.5 centimeter. Square all sides are equal for here 6.5 centimeter. Here also 6.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter you write it. Perpendicular line must want to draw. First measure in 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter you measure. Draw a line segment 6.5 centimeter. Centimeter straightly 1 point. 6 and 7 between in between lines 6.5 centimeter. Draw the 2 points. This point is, what is the point? E and A. E, first point is E, second point is A. EA equal to 6.5 centimeter. Next same as usual 3 centimeter you measure. Perpendicular drawing for you want to measure in 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter measure after E point to keep in the compass. Very carefully this only all the perpendicular line for this one only following there. Coming the margin for and all no problem, you cut it the arc. Here right cut the 3 centimeter, cut the arc. See very carefully come that 6 point line up to want to come. Now here coming the point to you cut it the arc. Now here to you cut it one arc. 2 arc cut after. Okay. Now 3 centimeter cut it the arc, should not change the compass and cut it the arc. Now here coming one point, no, there to up you cut in one arc. The here come the point to cut in the one arc. The coming point you join the line. E and this point you want to join. Very carefully want to join these points. Okay. Now this is what is the line? Perpendicular line. Square all the sides equal. What centimeter want to measure now? 6.5 centimeter. One time only measure in the scale. Enough. See there 6.5 centimeter. 6 and 7 in between line. 6.5 centimeter. First E point we cut it the arc. Here up to coming. This point is, what is the point now? T point. What is the point? This point is now a T point. Now here to come this point to you measure in there. The same 6.5 should not change the length. T point to keep and cut it the arc. Next A point to keep and cut it the arc. Now coming point is, what is the point there? S. Now you join AS and TS. Now here you write in 6.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter. Area of the square. Area of the square equal to A square units. A value equal to one side value is, what is the value? 6.5 whole squared. Centimeter squared. 6.5 2 times you multiple there. 6.5 into 6.5 centimeter squared. 65 is 65 you multiple. As usual multiplication. 5 5s are 25. Remaining 2. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2 32. 6 5s are 30. Remaining 3. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 3 equal to 39. 5 2 2 4. 42.25 centimeters squared. WEST. Second question. Fourth Roman letter. Second question. WEST. WS equal to 7.5 centimeter. WS equal to 7.5 centimeter. This is the diagonal. How to find this is a diagonal? You draw a rough diagram. WS is one diagonal. ET is the one diagonal. So side is there not give. So draw the first 7.5 centimeter. Draw the line segment. First work, listen very carefully. You draw in 7.5 centimeter. 8 and 7, the big line 7.5 centimeter, you draw the line. You write it the point WS. What the writer? WS equal to 7.5 centimeter. Next your work, see very carefully. 7th standard method only. Draw the perpendicular line diagonal for more than half you want to measure. More than half means there yes some before only. I am not marked there. Up one arc. W to keep and down one arc. Should not touch in the pencil and cut it the arc. Next, S to keep and cut the arc. Down one arc. Now coming point is, what is the point? L, M you write. Here you write in L, here you write in M. Join these two line. join the LM, the 2 points must you join the line. Now this is the perpendicular line. This is the 90 degree. Before sum and all, corner to 3 centimeter cut and the arc. This sum for a diagonal given for you more than half want to take and cut the arc. Next work, see here 7.5 centimeter divided by 2. 7.5 divided by 2 equal to 3.75. You take in 3.8 centimeter. 5 above the means you add here one number 3.8 centimeter. Now want to measure. Now which centimeter want to measure there? 3.8 centimeter only want to measure in the compass. Three 3.5 see there first 3.1 3.2 3.3 3.4 5 3.6 3.7 3.8 want to measure. Keep in the O point and cut it the arc. Keep in O point, up one arc, down one arc. Coming point is, what is the point you write there? Here you write in W, E, S already there have this point only T. So should not do the mistake and join the lines. W, E only join. See there W, E you join. Next E, S you join. Next ST. Next WT. WT join after you measure in there measure the length 5.3 centimeter. How much centimeter is there coming in there? 5.3 centimeter. So all the side is you write in 5.3 centimeter, 5.3 centimeter. Now area of the square. Area of the square. Equal to A squared square units equal to 5.3 whole squared centimeter squared. 5.3 into 5.3 centimeter squared. Multiply and write the answer 53 into 53. 3 3s are 9. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Remaining one 5 5s are 25 plus 1 is 26. 9, 10, 8, 28. 28.09 centimeter square.